If you use Microsoft Word a lot, there's a simple feature that can make your workflow faster and easier to remember. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on shortcut keys in Keytips in Word, step by step, so you can see helpful shortcut prompts right inside the program. This is a great setting if you want to work more efficiently, learn shortcuts faster, or just make Word easier to use every day. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick and useful software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look at the top left corner and click File. This will open the main menu where you can access the settings and options for Word. From there, go down and click Options. This is where Microsoft Word keeps all of its customization settings, including accessibility controls and display preferences. When the Word Options window opens, look through the menu on the left side and click Accessibility. Depending on your version of Word, this may be inside a similar settings section, but the goal is to get to the accessibility-related options. Once you're in the accessibility area, look for the setting that says Show Shortcut Keys in ScreenTips. This option controls whether Word displays shortcut key hints when you hover over commands and tools. Now check the box next to Show Shortcut Keys in ScreenTips. As soon as you enable it, Word will begin showing shortcut key information in the tooltips and keytips throughout the app. This is especially useful if you're trying to learn keyboard shortcuts faster, because instead of memorizing everything at once, Word will guide you with on-screen hints as you work. After you've checked the box, click OK to save your changes. Once you do that, the setting is turned on immediately. You can now go back into your Word document and test it out by moving your mouse over different commands in the ribbon or pressing Alt to display keytips. You should now see shortcut information appear, helping you navigate Word more quickly with your keyboard. If you don't notice it right away, don't worry. Just make sure you save the setting properly and that you're using the same version of Word where this option is available. In some versions, the menu names might look slightly different, but the process is usually the same. Go to File, open Options, find Accessibility, and enable Show Shortcut Keys in ScreenTips. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you work in Word every day or want to become more comfortable using keyboard shortcuts. It's one of those hidden settings that can save time and make your editing process much smoother. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss more quick tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.